What's up, guys? I want to welcome you guys back to the Turning Point, and today I just want to do a trade recap for the trade I took on the CPI Friday. It's kind of odd that the CPI is on a Friday, but I guess because of the schedule. But today's the 13th day before Valentine's Day, and today we made 2,700 on the Express account. So let's go over to the trade recap. And if you guys want to learn more about trading or anything, if you want a community, join us here at the Turning Point. We'll help you guys out. Discord.gg/the Turning Point. So yeah, let's just get straight into the trade recap. And mind me, I'm sick, so mind my voice a little bit. But trade was pretty simple today. Literally, all I was looking at was we use a lot of Fibs, and that's usually our main confluence. So I just took my Fib from the swing low of the entire range to the swing high of the entire range. My favorite Fib number is the 706, and the 706 right here, I'll put a line on it. Actually, I will take the line off because it extends with this white line. It aligned with an hour gap fill, and I like gap fills a lot because if sometimes people think that the fair value gap will get inversed, but then it closes back within the range, right? So it kind of acts like support in a bullish scenario and resistance in a bearish scenario, right? So like when this candle got down here, everyone's be like, oh, let's try to short, but that's why you always have to wait for candle closure, right? So I just liked this area. Also had an hour order block right here that we tapped perfectly. That was literally the low. And then to go down to the lower time frame, all I was looking at, we took out these equal lows, right? And then I actually entered, I think 5 micros here, and I was floating a stop around 570. And then I added more. We were all in live trading, and I was like, if we get the displacement through this 1 minute inverse right here, I don't know why my rectangle's like that, but you get the point. If we get displacement through this, because when you're looking at inverse for value gap setups, right, you always want to have as much displacement as possible. So you just want to see fast movement, right? See, we wasted no time. This 1 minute candle closed above the 706, a bullish hammer candle right here. And I was like, if we inverse both of these gaps with displacement, I'm going to want to see further price to CPI high. And that's exactly what happened. No red candles, took no time, went straight up. So once this candle closed, I waited for this candle to come down a bit, and I entered like around right here on this candle flip, and then I took it all the way to CPI high. So the trade looked more like, I think my average is around there. And then obviously I went break even, but I was just, took it to CPI high. So that's pretty much the trade for today. Literally it just shows if you keep trading simple, it's easy. It's not easy, but it makes it so much easier on yourself, and you just have to know that as long as you have strict risk management, you follow your trading plan and don't FOMO into positions and always focus on the next opportunity, you know you're going to be well off, right? So literally as simple as it could be. The 706 right here of the entire range, bullish reaction, 1 minute inverse. And I like scaling in all the time, because scaling in, especially if the idea doesn't work, you're taking a less loss rather than if you put on your full position size, you know what I mean? So I added right here, and then we got beautiful straight TP. So that's about it. If you guys want to learn more about trading, as I said, you want a trading community, if you want people to talk to, have questions, just tap into the Discord, discord.gg/the turning point, and anything you guys need, we're here for you guys. Any questions? We've been trading, me and Parker, I've been trading for around 3 years. Parker's been trading around the same time, so we have experience in these markets. And if you're just looking for an edge in the market, or you're just struggling, just join the Discord and you won't be disappointed. But thank you guys for everything. Tap into the next YouTube videos. We're gonna continue doing a lot of trade recaps, but overall, yeah. So thank you guys. Later.